Wear fitness your way with Fitbit Alta, a slim fitness wristband that automatically tracks everything from sleep to running out the door to going on a morning run. So you can find the motivation you need to make the most of your routine. Stay in touch with call, text, and calendar notifications, and stay on track with friendly reminders to move. SmartTrack automatically records your workouts because when you put in the effort, you deserve the credit, and every step counts when you're working toward a goal. Compete with your friends on the leaderboard and automatically sync your stats to your smartphone. Alta lets you switch up your style with premium accessory bands. So no matter what you're wearing or where you're going, you can transform your life as much as your look. Motivation is your best accessory. Wear it with Fitbit Alta.
This is PullUpDip, the world's first portable pull-up bar that can be changed for dips within seconds, all in one device. In addition, you can do a lot of other exercises like leg raises or muscle-ups to extend your body weight workout. It can be attached to trees or poles of different diameters and solves all your problems in crowded parks when you can't do pull-ups on football goals. You can also use a resistance band for support during your exercises. And if the weather is too bad, it allows you to work out indoors as well, without installing a permanent pull-up bar. But now, let's have a closer look at how PullUpDip brings your bodyweight workout to the next level. Store it away when not needed, and easily assemble it within a single set break. The indoor adapter is fixed to the wall and thin enough to hide it with a picture. Just insert PullUpDip into the indoor adapter with the screwless plug-in system and you're ready to go. To switch from pull-ups to dips, simply turn it around 180 degrees. You can do both exercises with the same multi-bar. It's nice weather and you prefer outdoor workouts? No problem! The complete outdoor package of PullUpDip fits into a standard backpack and can be carried to your favorite location. Every component is made out of stainless steel to be rust-proof and durable. The outdoor package includes a tree protection, the adjustable outdoor adapter, and a tension belt to tighten everything against a tree or a pole. Simply insert the sidearm and the two bars, and PullUpDip is ready to use in less than 2 minutes. The multi-bar offers you many different grip positions for pull-ups, creating various angles in order to work on multiple muscles in your back, arms and shoulders. For dips, you don't have to lower the position of the adapter, as the inclined design provides a perfect height for both exercises. The V-shape of the multi-bar enables a narrow or wider grip.
Skipper is a smart musical skipping rope. When used with the FitMix app, it adds intelligence and fun to training that helps you achieve better results. With a built-in 360-degree smart motion sensor, along with a Bluetooth module and the FitMix app, Skipper creates a customized exercise plan just for you. With 5 models available, it revolutionizes rope skipping training and delivers awesome results.
Adjust your posture, slowly warm up, and find your own rhythm.
Skipper's smart voice training provides real-time guidance and activity feedback. You will know exactly how long you have been exercising and how many calories you have burned. Skipper also includes a high-power music player and speaker built into the handle. The customized rope skipping music of the FitMix app And the rhythm vibrating through the handles.
Feel your body getting hot? You're burning fat.
The custom exercise plan created by Skipper is based on the precise analysis of user sports data calculated by Fitbit app. It lets you attain the perfect rope skipping rhythm and burn calories with max fit efficiency.
Rope skipping is time-tested and popular training program for boxing. The Speed Skipping Plan by Skipper helps improve reaction time, agility, and speed for power sports.
Even if you have 5 minutes during a busy day, rain or shine, in your office or at home. The accessible yet challenging jump rope. We set out to evolve this classic device. Smart Rope by Tangram. Integrating the latest tech, we've created a fun, immersive, smarter fitness experience. 23 embedded LEDs display your fitness data in midair, keeping you focused on your thoughts as you exercise. Advanced sensor technology ensures accurate, effortless functionality. Two sets of ball bearings in each handle result in smooth, effortless motion, while magnetic sensors detect complete jumps with precision. A true expression of function and form. Both familiar and new. Smart Rope is available in chrome, gold, and black. And our available soft grip comes in 5 bold colors to complement your style.
There's something about working out and the way it makes you feel. Almost everyone, when asked, would like to have more fitness in their lives, but for most of us, it falls to the bottom of our priority list. So we developed the Body Boss 2.0. We wanted a product that would empower people to reach their goals, where you'd be able to exercise more often and consistently. We want a product that is compact, something that could do it all with no restrictions. This equipment is something that anyone could use no matter their fitness level. A product that takes all these concepts from the gym and combines them into one solution, bringing the gym to you. The platform is strong. The posts are spaced evenly apart on both sides so you can simulate any exercise movement and quickly adjust difficulty. The base is made wide enough to stand comfortably during your workout, and we even added a layer of non-slip material to assure you stay in place. The bands were customized for this concept and can handle any height. There's even cloth in the bands to protect you. Simply clip in to get started. Shorten the bands or add bands to increase difficulty. Our most popular exercise is squatting with the bar. It's like a workout bar you would see at the gym, but more portable. It can unscrew and it features grip padding for comfort. The ends of the bar spin a full 360 degrees and are shaped to avoid the clips from sliding, providing you the most natural feel possible through all of your exercise motions. Adding or dropping bands easily provides many resistance levels. We added accessories to simulate even more solutions, such as handles that will add weight. Adding bands are like increasing your weight with a dumbbell. The wrist straps are double padded for comfort and sweat resistant to stay in place. We even added a door anchor to increase the workout. The Body Boss is lightweight, made of high-grade injection molding and capable of handling hundreds of pounds of force. The underside has non-slip feet for safe use on any surface. The adjustable posts make for easy storage. Starting from day one, you can choose your color: green, pink. You can choose your package. And choose how you want to follow workouts: live, replay, program, all on your own.
When you live in the city, you work hard. And you play hard too. But keeping a healthy lifestyle can be surprisingly challenging, especially when every inch of floor space counts. Luckily, we faced the same problem. That's why we created Practix, an innovative weightlifting system designed for the urban lifestyle. Practix is the ultimate space saver. We designed Practix to be amazingly versatile. Develop your strength and muscle power. Work on your core muscles. Switch from dumbbell to kettlebell in just seconds. It's that easy. Practix is the only set you'll ever need for a full body workout, whether you're a beginner or advanced. In the city, space isn't the only thing at a premium. Your time is too. That's why we've designed Practix, so you can take it anywhere and achieve your goals on your own schedule. At home or in the park, the choice is yours. We believe beautifully functional should be beautiful looking too. Your only dilemma will be store away or display.